What's up everyone? So Chris has made a video of what's inside his backpack, and I thought it would be interesting to show my backpack as well, because I wanted to show like a female perspective, because you know, guys and girls, like, they usually take different things. So this is the main backpack that I take. It's called Osprey Fairview 55 liters. It also comes with this day pack. So I'm gonna show you what's inside of them. Okay, so I have this wet bag. It's very important to have one if you're traveling on around Southeast Asia or any tropical place. I have this 5-liter one because Chris already has a 30-liter one, so I think this is good if you want to carry your cell phone or your documents, money, when you're going to a boat trip, for example. So it's very important to have this thing. Here I have this, it's not a toiletry bag, it's like I put my menstrual pads and also menstrual cup. I have a menstrual cup because sometimes it's not easy to find like a good brand of menstrual pads in some countries, and also having a menstrual cup is good for the environment. So yeah, I think you should buy a menstrual cup. You can get used to using one. So here I have a bag with medicines, kind of big because I have the medicines that I need and also the ones that Chris needs. So I have like usual things like Imodium for the diarrhea, and also Advil and eye drops, and things you need for basic units. And I also have like scissors. So if you're bringing the scissors as a carry-on, you need to buy like small scissors, because I think some airlines don't allow to take big scissors. So I also take this small purse, because sometimes if you want to go out at night or something, or you want to go to a place and it's not a beach or something like that, and it's very small and thin. I bought this one in Target, I think it was very cheap. So here is my makeup bag. It's very small, or maybe not, it depends on how much makeup you put on. It has 2 compartments. In the first one I take like highlighter and lipstick and concealer and things like that. Oh, it comes with a mirror. Sometimes you're gonna need this. And in the second compartment I have mascara, eyeliner, another concealer, browsing powder, shadow, stuff like that. So it really depends on what you like to use. It can be a smaller bag or maybe a bigger bag for the makeup. It depends on you. So here I have a few little pots with hair cream. As you can see, I have curly hair, so my hair routine may be a little bit different from yours, or maybe not. After I use shampoo and conditioner, I like to use leave-in, like conditioning leave-in. And in Southeast Asia, you're gonna have like a big problem trying to find those kind of things for curly hair. I'm always going to a lot of different like big pharmacies or supermarkets trying to find those kind of products, but they only have, like, most of the places here, they only have shampoo and conditioning. Like, if I knew this before, I would bring more products for my hair. But yeah, I have like shampoo, special shampoo for curly hair, and conditioning and mask and things like that, but it depends on your hair. So besides these hair products, I have of course I have a toiletry bag, but my husband carries it because I already carry the medicine In the bag there's like toothpaste, deodorant, soap, things like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the clothes. So I separate my clothes in 4 packing cubes, like different sizes of course. Okay, so the first packing cube is a small one. Here I take bikinis and bras and also socks. So I have 5 pairs of bikinis and I have 2 pairs of socks. I take 3 bras, like I'm using one, and I also have other 2. So this one is an extra small packing cube and I use this to take my underwear. I have around 8 underwears. Yeah, because we usually do laundry once a week, so I think it's enough. Here I have the biggest packing cube. This one is very good because it has 2 compartments. This side is for dirty clothes and this other side is for clean clothes. So the dirty side is very good because it's odor and moisture proof, so you can put your wet clothes here and then the other side will be safe. The clean side, I'm gonna show you what I'm taking. So here I have 1 pair of leggings. I only use when I have to do a trail or when it's a little bit colder, but yeah, don't use it very much. But I have pajamas, just 1 pair, and here I have 3 sleeveless tops. I also have one in the dirty part here because I used yesterday, and I think 3 is enough if you're in a tropical place, and I think this is what I use the most around here because it's always hot and you're always going to beaches and stuff like that. I also have 3 tops with short sleeves. I have 2 here, the other one I'm using it, and I have 3 shorts, the one that I'm using right now and 2 other ones, and I have this like hippie pants. I use this when I'm going to temples or places that you need to cover your legs. So I bought this here in Southeast Asia. And I also have this bodysuit that I bought in Brazil. I love it. So when I want to go, like, I don't use this to go to the beaches and stuff, but I use this like a top. Yeah, so I use it when I want to go to a party or something like that at night. So here I have this other packing cube. It's medium size, and here I put the clothes that I don't wear on a weekly basis. Like I'm gonna show you examples. I have 1 dress. It's not a fancy dress, but if I want to go to a bar or something, I usually wear this. So here I have another dress that is fancier than the other one, but it's not too fancy because I don't need anything fancy here in Southeast Asia. And I also have this play suit. It's cute, I love it. I wear when I want to go to bars or something like that. Here I have these shorts. They come with zip pants. You can zip them here and then it becomes pants. I like to have these because when I go to temples, or I don't know, if I'm going to do a trail in a volcano or something like that it might become cold. So yeah, you can just wear these and take the bottom parts and put whenever you want. And I also have this raincoat. It's very important to have this if you're in Southeast Asia because it can rain anytime. And it's very very thin. I also have this shirt with long sleeves. So I usually wear this when I'm going on a plane or something like that. And I also have these jeans. So yeah, that's it for the clothes. I take flip-flops. Of course, it's very important to have these here. And I also have one pair of sandals, like if I want to go out at night. And of course I have trainers. It's important too. And the last thing that's inside my backpack is this microfiber towel. I think it's very important to have one because if you are going to stay in hostels or even some hotels around here, they don't provide towels, so you need to have your own towel. And now I'm going to show you my day pack. So I have one hoodie here. I have a wallet with the money and documents. I also have sunscreen lotion, and this is very important. I have toilet paper. It's very important to carry toilet paper around Southeast Asia because some toilets they don't have toilet paper, so don't forget. I also have charging cables. This one is my notebook's charging cable, but I also carry my phone charging cable, of course. So here I carry my laptop, very small laptop, and I also have this to carry my documents. It's a fireproof and waterproof container, and in this compartment I have my driver's license and my passport and things like that, and also sunglasses. And I also carry this foldable water bottle, a pen, it's important to have one, and of course earphones. So that's pretty much everything I pack. You can find most of the stuff that I showed here in our Amazon page. The link is in the description of the video. So I think my main backpack weighs around 8 or 9 kilos. So it's easy to take it as a carry-on. And now I'm gonna show how it looks when I'm wearing them. So when I'm traveling, I put this one in my back, like this. This one here, where I can see everything, like, oh. So when I'm going to take a plane, I usually do this with my bigger backpack. With this backpack you can hide the straps like this. I usually do this to make it look smaller because sometimes some airplanes are small and they don't allow big backpacks. So I do this and I carry like this. So thanks for watching. Check our channel for other travel videos and have a nice day.